Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's 2019. It's 2019. I feel like 2018 literally just flew by me. It was like I farted and then it was stink and then I left the room. Yeah, that's literally what 2018 felt like for me. But then it was like it turned around and then boom, 12 planners came to be.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
You were trying to figure out how to use your planners for 2019 or just how to use multiple planners. This is how you do it right here. This is how all this pretty sparkly goody goodness, you can have it in your office or whatever your little nook is, whatever your little space is. You can have this too. So I honestly don't even know where to start because I love all of them basically equally because every last one of them I put my love into them. So I figured let's just start with my favorite. I guess if I had a favorite, it would be my catch-all. So I'm going to move some of these planners out the way so we can jump into the first planner because we got 12. I'm not going to flip through each one because it's 12 of them. So I'm going to have a video for each planner. This first planner is my catch-all planner, and this is going to be basically on my desk all the time. I don't see myself taking this out because the jewels can fall off, and if the jewels fall off of this baby, I'm going to be sad. So I need that to not happen. So the front of this is so freaking cute. I added these rainbow jewels on the front. And then my cute little kiwi coat charms with the little moon. Oh, they go perfect. Perfect. And this is my home desk catch-all planner. And it's super mom. So like I said, I'm not going to do a huge flip through, but I'll let you guys just get a little glimpse. They're somewhat set up. I'll say that. My planners are somewhat set up for 2019. I guess I did majority of the decorating, and now I have to add my inserts and get to starting my weeks and my plan with me. So videos on this planner will be coming soon. And then my next planner is my social media planner. This used to be my Glam Girl cover, but I basically took everything from Glam Girl and put it in my Life is Beautiful or Life is a Party, I guess whatever you want to call it, planner. And so it is so cute. I love the gold accents on this. Y'all, this is beautiful. Exactly what it says on the front. It's freaking beautiful. I set this planner up and added Glam Girl to her, and she looks amazing now. So I haven't started my pocket pages. I'm gonna get to that eventually, not right now. But like I said, the flip throughs of this planner is coming soon. And then also I made some cute little shatter dashboards to go in some of my planners. So a flip through of this baby will be coming soon. This is the social media. And I have so much stuff in here. Yeah, she's back. And then my next planner, which is really the mold to 2019. I'm going to be working in this planner every single day, like every chance that I get, because this is my wellness, this is my fitness, this is my gratitude, this is everything that keeps me sane and keeps me from not killing people on a daily basis. So yeah, we're gonna work in this every single day. So self-motivation, positive thinking, positive outcome. I combined my healthy hero with my happy notes and decided, all right, yeah, this is what's going to work for me. So like I said, no big flip through, but I will show you how I added in that one little healthy hero. And I also added my wellness inserts in here too. So it's going to be a Franken planned happy notes and happy planner. So I've already did my first week, and I'm not going to let you guys see that until Wellness Wednesday, because of course you guys can get all the sneak peeks, just some. So that is my wellness and fitness planner. I have so many things coming up for that. And then, y'all, I jumped into the wild side. Yes, I did. And I went and got an A5 in my PR package. Yes, I did. Mommy Lay, her planners have just gotten better and better. I don't care what anybody says. They have. This is going to be my YouTube and IGTV planner. I'm going to have probably a bunch of decorations in this, but a lot of planning for my videos, because I have so many videos coming up. And again, no big flip through. A flip through of this planner will actually be coming soon also. So this is my YouTube and IGTV planner. Like, I love this. It's so cute. It has this really thick leather. The only thing that makes me sad is that it's white, and I have a feeling that I'm probably going to mess up this white planner per usual, because anything that is white, I tend to mess it up. If you haven't seen my desk, yeah, horrible mess. So the next planner that I have is this, my first ever standard size TN, and this is going to be for my Glamazon event, which is going to be happening in July. So make sure you're watching my stories, you're following Glam in a Plan on Instagram, you're following me on Instagram, so that you'll know all the details for the Glamazon, and all the details are going to be in this planner. Like, I didn't think I was going to like a standard TN, but somehow along the way, I fell in love as I started setting her up, and she is just amazing. Like, I love this setup. It's pink, it's pastels. I have some new inserts and some new papers that I'll be like popping up in my shop very soon, and I'm obsessed with this one. Like, it's just gonna have a bunch of useful information, but at the same time, it'll probably be more cuteness than anything, because it's kind of what's in majority of my planners anyway. So then I got a planner called a Wordsworth planner that I got sent to me, and I'm not gonna do too much decorating in this planner. I'm probably gonna have more like mini stickers, if anything, but it's mainly going to be me writing in stuff, because I'm going to be using this for me and babe, and I want him to be able to read it and not see a million stickers, because he's king of complaining about my stickers, y'all. So that is my Wordsworth planner, and I'll have a flip through of this baby also. And then this beauty, I made my Mommy Lay TN into a happy planner. Well, I put my mini happy planner into my B6 TN, and this setup is cute. I actually had a flip through of this on my stories, if I'm not mistaken, and it's so cute. I really can't wait for y'all to see this one. And I want to show you guys this beautiful planner that I was trying to show you guys before. And this is my schedules and events planner. I'm like so obsessed with this one because it's pastel, and everything in here is pastel. But like I said, I'm not doing flip throughs in this video. I just let you guys get a little glance, because I'm going to show you guys my setups on how I set up each planner. So that is my schedules and events planner. Now, second to last planner is my on the go. This one, I have changed it like probably 4 times, to be honest. But I'm probably going to change it for a 5th time, only because, I don't know. I feel like it's not quite right yet. So until I get this baby right, I think, I'm going to keep changing it. So until that happens, I'm going to be on change number 5. And yeah, like I said, I'm really not feeling this one as much. I mean, I love everything in it. I'm just not feeling it because I feel like it could be better, if that makes any sense to y'all. So the last planner that I have in the lineup, and of course I had to make sure it was the best one, it is the makeup planner. So makeup and skincare planner, that is. So this is my old glam girl. This was a gift from my planner bestie. Planning is my therapy. She bought me this planner last year, and when somebody gets me something, I pretty much hoard it, and I'm not getting rid of this planner. I've used all of the pages, basically. I've used the dividers, all of that. Like, everything is being used, even if it is from 2018. Like, I'm going to keep bringing it into the new year because I love her, and she was the best for giving me this planner. So I know you guys have been waiting to see this one, and this flip through is coming really soon. Like, this planner is my obsession. Obviously, I love makeup, and this is bae. Like, I'm flipping through it, and I said I wasn't going to do a flip through, but when it's your favorite, you gotta let y'all see what's going on. Okay? So this one is coming soon, and I did a collab with 2 awesome planner babes, Plan with Lexi and Planet Queen. And I could be saying their names wrong, but their names will be in the description because I'm probably saying it wrong because I'm forgetful, and yeah, it happens. But that's how many planners, y'all? That's my makeup planner. That's my on-the-go planner. I have my schedules and event planner. I have my standard event planner. I have my A5 YouTube and IGTV planner. Then I have my social media planner. And then I have my wellness and fitness planner. Oh, I totally left out 3 planners, y'all. And I just realized that. So it was actually more than 2 planners. And so, hold on. That was my catch-all. And so I just realized that I have 3 planners that I completely forgot about. And they're actually my favorite planners of all time. I don't even know how I could do that, but I did somehow. And so this is my A6 planner from Mommy Lay. And I have my bow from Kiwi & Co. Of course. The little pearl. It's not a pearl. I guess it is a pearl. It's like a black pearl or a shiny little pearl or something like that. And then this came in the Mommy Lay kit. So this is an A6 wide. I use this as my notes planner. Like, yes, it's clear. It's my first clear TN, and I went crazy using this planner. Like, I don't want to say it's a planner because it's not even a planner. It's notes. I just write my notes, and then I transfer my notes into my other planners. And then this new baby here is my PR planner. Like, how did I forget these 3 planners? I don't know. This is my PR planner. Like, I love this one. Like, I set this one up to perfection. And when y'all see this planner, you're going to be like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I want it. And so that one's coming too. And that's a personal rings. And this baby is my shop planner. I added my charm from Mommy Lay's box and some other little charms that I put together. And this is my glam in a plan shop planner. Everything that is in relation to my shop goes in this planner. And pretty much everything that is in my shop is probably going to be in this planner. So I'll probably have a flip through of that in my stories actually on Glam in the Plans page. And this baby is so cute. Like, the pink and the charms and everything that's in it, like, amazing. Every one of these planners are amazing. And then y'all don't shoot me. I know I have 12 planners, but I have 3 on the way. 2 two in which are coming from Kiki K, and then the other one is coming from AliExpress, and it's this glitter planner that I'm probably actually going to sell. So in reality, I only have 2 on the way. So that's why I said you can't shoot me. No judgments. Okay, I'm going to use them for something special. There's a reason that they're coming. So with that being said, if you guys are feeling this video and you want to see all of these planners in a separate video, which I know you guys probably do, you're going to hit that like button. And if you want to be the first on these YouTube streets to see the beautiful planner Babe Brooke and her planners for 2019, hit that bell. The bell. What's happening with my mouth? I don't know. We're going to get this together for 2019. So I'll see you guys soon. Woo! Happy New Year.